Hi guys, just found this in my stock of stuff. Do it yourself, glow in the dark dinosaur or mammoth. Yeah, shouldn't take many minutes to put together. Don't know how long I've had that in my stock. And then we can shine a light on it and see if it actually lights up. There's our instructions. Well, they have got numbers on. If I look carefully, at least that has. Yep, they have got numbers on. So number 1. Number 1 is this one, I think. Yes, that's got a 1 on it. So number 1 goes there. Number 2. Yeah, that's 2. Well, not quite sure what happened there. The camera just stopped filming. Where are we up to? We've got 1, 2, 3. And I had just found 4. Yeah, that one's 4. I'll have to keep an eye on the camera if it's going to stop. No idea why that was. I don't think we're short of battery. I'll just check. No, no reason for that. We're on 84% on the battery. So plenty of power. Right, where are we up to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Six. Just hold it up so you can see the number. Yeah, it's quite clear at the top there if you get the light right. What number was that? Well, that must be 9. That confuses things, doesn't it? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where does 9 go? 8, 9. Okay. I think we're okay. But I'm getting confused. That says 8. I am getting confused. That says 8. That slot says 8. That one says 9. I've got, right, I can see. I've missed the first slot. Not that it's important to you guys, but my camera is playing up tonight. I'm not quite sure what's going on. I think it's the wireless connection, but it keeps turning the camera off. I've just unplugged it and plugged it back in again, and we'll see how we get on. So I had just found that I'd got all my ribs one slot out, because I'd missed that slot there. Good job we're not gluing them. This was only supposed to take a few minutes. Right, that's number 9. Or is it number 6? That one's got to be number 9. That's going to be the small one at the end there. So that one is number 6. 6. I did not expect this to take this long. I thought this would take a few minutes and it'd be job done. Instead of that, camera's playing up and I can't read numbers. All right, 7, slot 7. Right, okay, I think we're back on track. $14 is that one, yes. $17 and $18. I know I'm going out of order a bit now. I just want to get some of this stuff out of the way. And now that I've found they're clearly labelled, it makes life a bit easier. Just when you think they're all going to come off easily, one of them doesn't want to. Right, that's number 15. Yep. Right, let's get your legs in the right order. 11. I reckon that's going to be one of these two. Oh, 12, 13. So it's got to be one of these on this side. I just can't get the light in the right direction to be able to read it. Let's take a guess. Yeah. Yeah, picture shows them the other way round. I'm not going to worry about that for now. That says 12. That says 12. Done. As I say, the picture shows that leg on the other side. I suppose we could swap it over just to be accurate. There we go. So we will shine a light on it and see if it glows in the dark. Well, it really is one of those nights tonight. That's my halogen bulb that I use for solar powered things, and that's just died. So we're just having to use a bright LED light, which is not the right thing when you're trying to charge something up like this. It really needs a halogen bulb to do it. It will work, but it's not going to be as bright and it's not going to charge as well. So I'll try and get a little bit on both sides. Are we ready? Let's put the light out. Oh, that's not too bad. Obviously the camera is compensating and it's dying away pretty quickly. To my eye, it's all right, but through the camera, it's obviously trying to white balance and brighten it up. So there we go. Our glow-in-the-dark Mammoth. Just put the light back on again. Mind your eyes. So that was a do-it-yourself dyno, glow-in-the-dark, Tiger brand. No idea how old that is. Can we get that in focus? Tiger stores. Made in China, of course. No, I'm not seeing a date anywhere there. Got a batch number. I mean, that number under the barcode there says 2017 014568. Anyway, there we go. A glow-in-the-dark Mammoth. Right, searched my stock, found another spotlight bulb. So we're now charging it up extra bright. Give it a bit on both sides. Get it as bright as we can. Just lift the camera up a tiny bit. That's better. Okay, are we ready for this? Here we go. That is better, isn't it? Again, the camera's doing its own thing. For me watching it directly, it's quite acceptable. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.